Still falling asleep with YouTube running? Here's how your Galaxy on Android 16 can automatically close app for you when it's bedtime. Android 16 introduces a new preset routine that helps your phone manage itself even while you sleep. This routine automatically closes selected apps at 2 a.m. when it detects you are asleep, saving battery and keeping distraction away. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Mode and Routine, tap Discover, scroll down the screen, under Advanced Routine section, tap Close App when you are asleep. In the If section, the specific time is set to 2 a.m. every day. If needed, you can tap it and set it to your desired time. In the Then section, it checks your current contacts. If you are sleeping, it will automatically close selected apps. By default, it's set to YouTube or YouTube Music. If needed, you can tap Close an app to choose other apps you want to close automatically. However, if you are still awake, your phone will show a notification that says it's time for bed. Finally, tap Save to add this routine to your list. With this routine, when it's 2 a.m., your Galaxy checks if you are asleep. If yes, it closes the chosen apps. If not, it gently reminds you to rest. And that's how you can let Android 16 help you rest better by automatically managing apps while you sleep. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.